Doug's got a blue shark on. Wow! Welcome back. On today's episode, we woke up early to catch that sunrise because we're heading out wide. We're going deep sea fishing. The plan is to go out to Jeffrey's Ledge. Jeffrey's Ledge is about 25-30 miles offshore. On the trip today is going to be myself, my dad, and Captain Doug. This type of fishing isn't too complicated, and we're going to target haddock and pollock, although we do get into a bunch of other fish, as you'll see. Uh-oh.
Dogfish.
Dogfish. Good size one.
Well, we're gonna measure it. Need the net?
No. That's okay, I'm good. Just trying not to get the tail. So these are spiny dogfish, and they're pretty common out here. They're very small sharks. The reason why I take my time handling them is because both of the dorsal fins that they have on their back have spines. And I've heard if you get one of these spines stab into you, it gets pretty painful.
Oh, I don't know. That looks like it's longer than 25.
Looks like a contender. I got a picture of him. Yeah, I think you got him on the wings. Sit down. 30? 30.
30.
30 is
Oh, he's got the new mark to beat.
30.
Alright, see you later.
All right, good one, Dave.
Hopefully that's not a trend.
Now you're in the lead.
The shark's coming after.
Let's go. Go, get it. Yeah, dude, that is a keeper. That's
nice.
That's a freaking pollock. That's what you want, my man. Yeah, it's a pollock. This is Doug's first big pollock out here. It's a beast. Nice job, Doug. And I'll do a picture.
Beauty.
All right, chuck him in.
Holy
cod.
man.
Nice.
That's a fish.
Nice job,
That's
Dad.
a beauty.
We gotta,
Nice.
I'm gonna put him back, but he's beautiful.
Yeah, we gotta let the cods back.
Nice.
But it's
That's a, species-wise, we're doing great.
Yeah, we're doing all right.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Took my bait. Big cod, little catch and release.
Yeah, buddy.
Good job, Doug.
That's the one that I caught.
Not bad. I don't have those auto mechanic hands anymore. It's kind of sad.
All right, haddock. Might even be a keeper. This is close.
That's gonna be close.
Oh, yeah. Oh, actually, no,
that counts.
no, because it was turned. Look at that. Look, go down. Doesn't make it. 16 and a half. I'm trying.
Come on.
That's 16 and a half.
Come on. We'll get one.
I want it to be.
We'll get one.
Come on. It's good though. That means there's some bigger ones down there. Oh, it's a haddock and it's a keeper, I think.
Oh!
Oh, it's close.
Looks very close.
Oh, it's close. Oh, this is gonna be, oh, come on. I think it's a keeper. Let's find out. One. Yep, just.
All right.
16, 17, 18. Yeah, all right. That's what we're after. Oh, it's a cod. No, it's a haddock. It's a massive haddock. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta get this in. Eat.
Oh, nice.
That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Look at that. That's a fish right there.
Oh, look. Doug's got one.
Mine's another haddock.
I hope it's haddock. Oh man.
My last one fought pretty good for a small fish.
It feels like it's either a pollock or a haddock.
This one's fighting a little harder than the last one.
It does not feel like a dogfish, finally.
Oh, it's a cod.
Oh, cod. Then mine's gonna be a cod too. They don't hang out together. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no!
No, you got a haddock.
I'm on that.
Looks like a good one too.
Close. It's gonna be close.
All right. Dave's turned into the haddock guy.
I'll take it. That's what I want.
Back in our part of town, I'd be really proud of this thing.
Say 17, 18, 19. 19 seems to be the... I mean, I got something too. It's definitely a fish.
All right, buddy.
Pollock. Too small. Later, buddy. When Doug was reeling up his line, he had a pollock, and then he also had a dogfish. And then when he got it to the surface, a blue shark ate the dogfish. I also caught and released this whiting or hake. I never caught one before, but apparently people catch them. And in the late afternoon, the wind picked up, so we started punching back in. It was kind of choppy, but Doug's boat handled it like a champ. Cooking with Dave. I've got my haddock and pollock fillets, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up, take the skin off, and then fry them up. Alright, I've got my share of the fillets. I've got some haddock and some pollock, really big pollock, that we caught while we were out there fishing. I've just washed them up. I'm gonna de-skin them, and then I'm gonna fry them up. So these fillets have these bones that are right here on the fish. So I filleted them, but you gotta get those bones out still. So I just use this little pliers, I feel for it, and I just kind of pluck them out. It's not too much of a big deal. And you can tell which species this was. This was a haddock. Haddock have the black line, the black lateral line. Yeah, and I just went ahead and took the skin off this one. And it's pretty cool. Pretty easy, just get yourself a sharp knife. Alright, so I've got my haddock and my pollock all cut up into these nice biteable pieces. And I put it in here. Into some whipped eggs. And then into some breadcrumbs or flour or panko or whatever you want to use. I use Ritz crackers, but that's all I had. Then you put them on the old stove. And they're going to start to turn brown and just perfect. And you can smell them and it smells delicious. And when you're all done, you've got a pile of big flaky pieces of fish. Some are pollock, some are haddock. You can put them in fish tacos. You can do whatever you want with them. Me, I just like to dip them sometimes, but I mean, you can just eat them just like this. Mmm. It's good and fresh and delicious. So thanks a lot, guys. I'm glad you got to come out with me today. It was awesome going out there, and be sure to like this if you liked what you saw, and hit subscribe if you want to follow along, because there'll be more fishing adventures, more outdoor adventures to come. So catch you later, guys.